Meesho Seller A to Z Part 1. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video series, I am going to explain how to become a seller on Meesho. Many people want to start an online business, but they do not know where to start and how the process works. That is why I created this Meesho Seller A to Z series. In this series, I will explain everything step by step in a very simple way. What is Meesho? First, let us understand one simple question. What is Meesho? Meesho is an online shopping platform. It is similar to other marketplaces where customers can buy products online. On this platform, sellers can upload their products and customers can purchase them. So in simple words, Meesho connects sellers and customers through an online marketplace. How Meesho works. Now let us see how the Meesho business works. Step 1. A seller uploads a product on the Meesho platform. Step 2. A customer sees the product and places an order. Step 3. The seller packs the product and prepares it for shipping. Step 4. A delivery partner picks up the parcel and delivers it to the customer. Step 5. After the order is delivered, the payment is transferred to the seller. This is the basic workflow of the Meesho business. 3 people in Meesho. There are mainly 3 important roles in the Meesho business. First, the customer. The customer is the person who buys the product. Second, the seller. The seller is the person who lists the product and sells it online. Third, the Meesho platform. The platform connects the seller and the customer. When these 3 work together, the online selling process happens. Why Meesho is popular? Now the question is, why is Meesho so popular in India? There are a few simple reasons. First, it is beginner-friendly. Second, many people can start selling with low investment. Third, the platform has a very large number of customers. Because of these reasons, many new sellers are starting their business on Meesho. Do you need investment? Another common question is, do we need investment to start selling on Meesho? The answer is, it depends on your business model. Some sellers purchase stock and keep products ready. Some sellers work with suppliers and sell products without holding stock. So you can start with a small investment and grow your business slowly. Products you can sell. On Meesho, you can sell many types of products. For example, clothing, fashion accessories, home and kitchen items, kids products, and many more categories. However, fashion products are one of the most popular categories on the platform. Choosing the right product is very important for success. Reality of Meesho. Now, let me tell you one important thing. Selling on Meesho is a real business. It is not a shortcut to make quick money. You need to learn product selection, pricing strategy, and order management. If you understand the system properly, you can build a successful online business. What you will learn. In this series, I will explain many important topics. For example, how to create a Meesho seller account, what documents are required, how to upload products, how to manage orders, how to handle returns, and how payments work. All these topics will be explained in a simple step-by-step format. Next video. In the next video, we will start with the first practical step. I will show you how to create a Meesho seller account. We will also discuss the documents required for registration. So make sure you watch the next part. If you want to learn how to start an online selling business, this series will help you. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.